Warforged.
It's nothing, man. Just look what I'm gonna get in a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna get Socket Heroic Warforged 4 set from 1.
I'm gonna get Avoidance as well, just because I can. Where's my token?
I don't know if Leech is better than Avoidance though.
Oh, it's not. No, it's not, man. Leech is so good.
You just said it's not, and then you said it's good.
Yeah, I was confused.
Leech is shit. Avoidance is so good.
What? Real Philip?
Easy,
so good.
random.
Speed is good also.
No.
Yeah, speed is good. How can you say speed is bad? Like, seriously.
You don't need
It is
speed.
shit.
You have so many talents. Get
Not
out
to
of
mention you have
to get out of
cloak
fire.
enchant.
If you fail to get out of fire, it's because you fail. Every class
Cloak
has
enchant,
mechanics
sorry.
of getting out. Especially as a hunter, you don't want speed. You have so much.
Hold the big. I guess it's easy mode.
But what hunters lack is like defensive cooldowns outside the terrain. So avoidance is
Yeah,
piece.
Spread 6 shards.
Yeah, do you have the debuff, Sonic? You do. Don't go behind the tank. Or do it. It's a taunt, Sonic. Heal him up.
Fuck, you take a lot of damage, man.
What
Yes.
the shit?
Well, we still have assassins up and everything, so GG to whoever pulled that guy.
Can you just lost something and run in?
Sonic, class in, last. My god.
Might as well reset
I
it.
don't
But
have any tank here.
yeah,
Yeah, just reset it. This is so stupid.
We will focus up
It
on
is a fucking
small
waste
things like
of
this. Really is.
7 is safe.
Is anyone close to the ring?
But do you get it once you have the tomes?
You need the C chart as well.
Yeah.
But that's it, right?
Done. Yeah.
Really? Yeah, then you get the legendary ring.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm pretty close. You just need 13 tomes then.
I'm at 27. Might get it this week.
Go
Thanks
cast
for getting us
mats.
in combat, you fucking cunt.
Is safe?
Nope.
Yeah, but just can you just all run in since we're at the fucking portal now? We might as well. The big guy
Stun
is
bad.
even hitting class gen. Come in now and we can do it. There's 2 attacks.